That's not
It's my nephew. It's my nephew.
Oh,
My sister's right there.
He's like, what are y'all
Where did
doing?
she go?
What are we doing?
She's like,
Misbehaving.
don't misbehave when there's a baby in the room.
Okay, have fries. You want some?
Me? Oh, give it to Liz. She lives in my room. She's just pure awesome. Yeah, she lives in my room. The awesomeness.
The awesome.
218.
218 awesome.
I love that room. I absolutely love that room. You know why? I forgot how good that room was. We were at the end of the corner. You don't hear anybody.
That's where I am.
I miss having the corner room because it's bigger than every other room in the whole entire freaking building. And then I got the.
Buffalo Bills.
His name would be Phil. Yeah, like I miss that. And plus, like when people come stumbling in drunk, you don't hear them.
Never hear anything.
I know, like I slept like a baby.
Yeah, I
in
feel
that room last
like it's. I really like my room, but it's like right across the hallway from the bathroom, and then but it's right next to the kitchen, and so you always know when somebody's cooking. You can always like mooch. Hold on.
See, I don't ever play.
Thanks.
Back at you. Maybe I won't.
You've gone to CJ's friends.
I had a ball.
Yeah. Just
Too fat for this.
go, 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 go.
Go on, back in.
Wow.
That was perfect.
That is not your penis.
Well, you don't want me to rub my
Tummy,
penis.
vagina. Tummy, vagina. Just saying.
I like how I just came in and I heard Tommy
Peanut
vagina.
butter jelly.
I was trying to give him an anatomy lesson because he was rubbing his gut when he meant to be rubbing his penis.
I did not
Okay.
mean to be rubbing my penis. I wanted to rub my belly.
You wanted to rub your penis. Woo! Because you were talking.
Rub my penis.
Where am I doing?
I ain't rubbing nobody's
Juice is right there.
Woo! Is that true?
No,